Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly into your Microsoft Word or how to use it. Okay, so what I did beforehand is I download Grammarly and as well as add to your Google Chrome browser as an extension. So it will show up like this. You see? Now let's go ahead and start typing. So I'm going to type I love grandkids. But for this time, I'm going to misspell the grandkids. Let's see if Grammarly will have an option for us to correct it. You just have to highlight it and there you go. There is the correct spelling option. But now let's try see more in Grammarly. There you go. It will give you the option to correct the mistaken spelled word. There you go. So it has been corrected. That is how you use your Grammarly into your Google or Microsoft Word. Thank you. And I hope that this video helped you and see you in my next video. Bye guys.